Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's John Levy, sitting here in my little pit bull, Sadie. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little something different tonight. Thought I'd catch a little Mother Nature in action, a little bit of lightning going over the campground here. So, hope you all guys enjoyed a little bit of Mother Nature. And for me and my little pit bull Sadie, right Sadie? I think she's half comatose. She's a little traumatized by the lightning and thunder. So anyway, hope you all enjoy the lightning show, and again, a little bit something different tonight. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. If you don't, kiss my ass anyway. Hit like and subscribe. Peace.
Nothing in it, just plain water. You don't want to kill the bacteria in the water.
When you get a new job at work.